I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. I have been staying in Paris for the past 2 weeks and I just want to show you the Airbnb that I've been staying at. Okay, so this is the room I've been staying in. Got some bed lights here. Such a vibe. I'm gonna turn the light on. We got a mini fridge right here. We have a microwave. Make coffee, tea. A little tower with all the essentials. If you wanted to do some exercise, check your weight. Got the lovely TV here, some pamphlets, menus of some places nearby. Shout out to Brazamia. Pretty great price. My first night I got some carbonara for $5. Sushi's right around the corner. The lovely bed. It's also heated, which has been so nice. And then we also have this lovely balcony. Let me take you outside. You can come out here and just chill. So the balcony views. And inside, there's also this little desk here where you can get ready. There's also another mirror. Love the little touches. Appreciate the water and the chocolate. Some tissues as well. And turn the lights off. And I'm also gonna close these. Something I really liked about, something I really like about these curtains is you can see they have little stars and creates this really cool light. So in the morning, it's been really cool to wake up in bed and just have you have a little bit of light just peeking through the curtains, and it's not too much that you're just immediately gonna wake up in the morning. Also, some fresh towels. So for the past 2 weeks, this is where I've been staying in this lovely Airbnb. It's a room inside a family's apartment, and the family has been so lovely. Shout out to them. They're so welcoming and give me recommendations while I was here in Paris, frequently asking if I need anything. I've been staying in nothing but hostels up until this point, so coming to Paris has been really nice. It made me slow down for a moment, have some self-care for myself. I haven't had to wake up early to catch breakfast, so I was very much enjoying sleeping in and just taking my time. It's about a half hour away from the Paris city center, but it's right by the train station. Honestly, like a 1 minute, 2 minute walk from the train station. While I was here for the week, I would just get a book of tickets. I think is maybe 10 tickets, about 22 euros. So just using that to get into the city, taking the taking the rail and just enjoying my time since I've been here. Last week the weather was in the 60s, it got up to 70, and it was so nice, so sunny. And then this week the weather has been in the 40s. It snowed on Friday for a little bit, and today it's about 48 degrees or so, but the sun has been out. It's been a little cloudy, but the sun's been out, so it's kind of made up for it. Today is my last full day in Paris. Last week I was all around the city, and probably towards the weekend I kind of just slowed down a bit and took my time, and then this week I got out a little bit, but I was probably inside a lot more this week than last week just because it's so cold. So cold to me, at least. I know it's still at least 40 degrees, but I am cold. And knowing that I did a lot last week, I just took it easy this week, took time to edit, and yeah, pretty much that. Another thing to mention, this bed is heated. So since it's been cold in Paris, it's been so nice to have a heated bed, and I could just be nice and toasty, nice and warm. Really excited for you to see my Paris videos. We go on a hike, a little bit of a hike, and we're checking out a really famous monument. So I hope you can continue to stay with me for my travels and my journeys. I enjoy sharing everything I'm seeing and bringing you along with me. I hope that you're having a good time as well. Thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate it. If you liked anything in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next travels. Au revoir!